Welcome back, everyone. I am your host, Byron Keith, and this is Excel Radio, where we are looking to excel the lives of our listeners through enhanced thinking and information. Now, today is going to continue our discussion on spending time. In our last episode, we talked about how giving the stay at home and be safe orders, where you could be focusing some of your energy, and we talked about gathering and organizing your important documents, specifically your tax documents, but this goes for all documents. Then we also talked about doing research because a lot of changes are happening giving these orders. Now today we're going to talk about education because education has had a big impact on how everyone is maneuvering through these times. And I just want to encourage all of the parents who are at home with their students to engage them educationally. As you all know, and as you all have been seeing on the internet, that the curriculum in today's school is relevant for the times. However, sometimes it does not get the child to understand the concept. So you're at home, you could actually be imparting a lot of those ways to them. A lot of the math that we learned was a lot more efficient. So your third grader could go back a fifth grader, your fifth grader could go back a seventh grader. But parents, you have to put in that time. That's going to conclude today's episode. I am your host, Byron Keith, signing off.